don't have chance to stay outside. Guys, I like to show you something really beautiful. So we have the mountains here with snow. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. And here, absolutely no comment. Very nice. Very, very nice. Mountains in Romania. Full of snow in March. And will be even in July, I think. Look at that. Nice. We are not in India, boys. I'm still in Romania. Look at that. Nice. Interesting. So guys, here we are. We have to put the cars on this, and with this we go until there, on the other side, and from there we have like 1 hour more. This is the Danube river, yeah, it's a river. And we go in the Danube Delta. Will be 4 days fishing, 4 days for fishing, just for fishing.
Salutare! Ahoi marinat! 2 corespunzători, 2 necorespunzători. Așa e. Așa e.
Ca așa e la noi. So guys, new adventure. This is the road from here for 15 kilometers, but will be awesome. This is important.
Să împingem la mașini de ne găsesc draci. Eu zic, bă, Dane, bă, dacă plouă de aici mai ieși.
Big adventure. This is off-road with Ford Focus. The view is very nice. The road, the river, everything is very nice. We start prepare with this for a night or for if raining, but maybe just Saturday, we don't know. We will see. In time, guys, do some extreme sport here. We have a monkey there. Bă, stau sub copac, mă!
Nu pune toporul, lasă-l, Doamne, iar! Bă, pleacă! Hai tu! Bă, craiovene, lasă-mă cu toporul, eu știu mâinile, mă, uită-mă direct în tibi!
Yes, this is our place, guys. Here we have one room and there another room. Here it's kitchen, room service, everything. Properly nice, very, very nice, super. This, guys, it's a wild lake into Danube Delta, where a lot of birds, unique birds, are here and just here for springtime and for summertime. The sun go to sleep for today. It was a nice day. We drive like 350 kilometers until here, and we will stay for 4 days. This is the river, and we hope to catch something in these days, these beautiful days. Very nice. It's a nice place. Ah, we have cow. Cow. Something like this. New camping, guys. We changed the place because there we don't catch nothing, so we are here for now. It's raining a little bit, but it's okay.
Hello, guys.
Hello, Eddie. How are you, my man?
Fine, my friend. Let's go fishing.
Yes, in here this time. The biggest place, biggest river, and we'll be okay. Guys, small update. We don't catch nothing because it's a fucking wind. Maybe maybe you can hear some wind, yes. Adventure, yes, adventure. We hope to be better tomorrow. Yeah. But now we don't have chance to stay outside. Update. Day 2. We don't have nothing, no fish in 2 days. The road is like this. It's very hard to walk here, but the forest is absolutely beautiful. I come to fish, but I think I will do something else, because I find a lot of wood, interesting wood. I talk about this kind of wood. And that tree there, and this one here. And it's one very, very, very interesting. And there, one. That one I like so much. Also this one here. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. I don't have something with me to cut this, but next time I come with tools. So my fish, guys, for today, for moment, it's this. I catch a fish! Fish on! So, go. Go! Go! I go to see what happened with the roads, but it's springtime. It's not such a good time for fishing in here in the Danube Delta. Nothing there, nothing here. It's the last night here, so maybe we have some luck. So guys, we do something to eat. We have the cooker here. Hi Gabriel.
The only one.
Gabone the cook.
Gabone the cook.
The cook Gabone.
No cooker, cook.
The
Huh?
cook. The cook.
Cook.
The cookie, the cook.
Chris și Master Chef.
Number 1 Gabone. Gabone a.k.a. Chef în Delta.
It looks perfect. Guys, you have to taste this. Probably wonderful. Oh my goodness. Good morning, guys. I try to do a coffee. And we have a big problem. Because all night it's raining. It's raining all night. So our problem is this: the road. The fucking road to go outside. Look at this. Look there. And I will show you what it's next. Maybe we go out today, maybe not. We will see.
O să împingem la mașini de ne găsesc draci.
Eu zic, bă, Dane, nu dacă plouă de aici mai ieși.
It's a big problem. Even the guys with motor try to find a solution. And there it's a big problem. We need a tractor. That's for sure. The guys try to do it on the grass. First try. Come on. Maybe more. And one it's up. Nice. With our cars, we don't do it. We have to come from here. The first try, I don't do it. Now I try again. I hope so. Exact poziția în care am zis că nu e bine să ajung. Invers cum? Așa?
Atât așa și lasă-l afară. Lasă-l afară, nu mai da în față, nu mai da în față. Nu mai da în față. Lasă, două în spate, la afară. Hai. Hai că ține noi să ne alegem pe aici, hai. Hopa. Așa, ușor, gata. Hai că nu alegem aici, hai. Te duci tot așa, drept pe lângă asta.
Second try, nothing. Now number 3. Was with luck. So we are out. We are out. This is amazing, guys, because now I show you again where we was. And here I think this have like 35 degree. I tried here one time and I was almost to go in that garbage. There are fucking people who don't take his garbage. Fuckers. And yes, we come here. It was pretty difficult because in here it's a lot of water and the land it's, look, yeah, but we do it. This is important, guys. We have 3 kilometers like this road. I hope we do it because it's terrible. I wait for the guys to push me.
Oh! Hai acum. Oh! Hai, stai. Hai, mă. Hai. Hai! Deschide geamul ușor, așa, bravo, hai! Haide! 4x4, mă! Ușor! Dreapta! Salut, Bib!
Salut! Stai să mă spun.
Salut, Danu! Ia întoarce-te să te vadă fanii. Hei! Prezență scenică.
Pe partea asta un pic mai rău. Pe partea asta e
ce trebuie acolo, ia.
E nou model de la Decathlon.
Ia, vă dă
Quechua se numește.
Mă văd și eu. Uitați-vă. E ce trebuie. Talent. Avem aici tot prezență scenică. Vivarino. Frumos.
Un ban cinstit.
Un ban cinstit la băieți. Hai. Astea toate sunt ale noastre. Toate dârele astea sunt ale noastre. Dați-vă, fraților. Vai de mine.
I'm stuck one more time. This is number 5. This is my car. So guys, here we are. We are okay. We take out the cars from that road. Now we have nice road from here until there. My God. Yeah. Adventure. FLOVI adventure. We do it. So this is what we take it out from the wheels. My God. Now here. And a lot here. So we come to wash the car because this is the car now. So we have to wash. We have the second car here. Same condition, of course. Guys, I finished this adventure. I'm home, so I'm okay. What a day, what day. What day was today. Very hard. Yeah, that road, 3 kilometers. It was properly, you can't believe how it was hard. But now I'm okay. See you guys next time.